Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to change your voice on Discord as of 2021. And if you find this helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And also, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So when it comes to changing your voice on Discord, there's actually two programs that are very popular at the moment, two pieces of software. Bear in mind this is as of 2021. And what I'm going to do is just go through them with you now. So the first one is called Voicemod, which is basically one voice changer. So with this one, you actually get a free trial and you can use it for a lot of things like Discord, Skype, WhatsApp, etc, etc. The only thing with this one is that you are kind of limited. I think you only get a handful of voices on the free trial, and after that you have to start paying. If you're happy to pay, you do get a lot of voices, a lot more voices, and a lot more things you can do. The second one, and this is the one I personally use, is called Clownfish, and this one is completely free. So you actually do get more voices in the free version than you do for the free trial for Voicemod. But if you pay the premium for Voicemod, you get a ton more voices than you do on Clownfish. So it's all down to personal preference really. I mean, if you're happy to pay the premium and get a ton more voices, go for Voicemod. But the one I'll be using in this example today is called Clownfish. As I say, this one is completely free. And if we scroll down the page slightly, you'll be able to see a list of all the voice effects you get. So you've got things like alien, you've got mutation, female pitch, baby pitch, robots, etc, etc. So this is the one we're going to be looking to download, and what we're going to do is go to the top of the page and click download. And then what you want to do is just scroll down and select the version for you. So once you've clicked it, it might come up with an ad like this. All you need to do is click close. And you'll see that's going to start downloading the setup down in the corner. It's just your basic setup wizard, so what you need to do is just click onto it and run through the install steps where it says like next, install, etc, etc. So you just want to accept the permission when it comes up. Click run. Hit yes for the permissions and then just click next. You can tick these boxes or you can untick them. It depends if you do want to create a desktop shortcut or a start menu shortcut. And then once you've chosen your choices, you just want to go ahead and click next down here. And you can see you need 2.4 megabytes of space, and that's what you need. So make sure you've got that available, then click next. You can see that's going to start installing. So once that's done, we just need to click onto next and then click finish. Now, I'm not sure if that's actually changed my voice yet or not, but if I come to my desktop, you'll see I've got the icon there for Clownfish Voice Changer. I'm just going to go ahead and give that a click. If you didn't select to have the desktop shortcut, you just need to come down to the search bar and type Clownfish into there. So what you're going to do to actually open this is if you come down to your taskbar and you'll see in the system tray down here in the bottom right hand corner, you've got the icon for Clownfish. What you need to do is actually right click. And then you want to come up to here where it says set voice changes and give that a click. I'm just going to click this clear effect just in case it did change my voice. And you can see you've got all your different effects up here. So all you need to do is click on any one of them. So for example, I could go for helium.
And now it should be changed to the helium pitch. And to change it again, all you need to do is
click on robot. You know, whichever one you want to use, you just go ahead and click onto, and you'll see that
it is changing my voice.
As I'm clicking on each of the different
choose this on Discord. All you need to do is just basically have this switched on to the voice you want, and then once you go ahead and go into Discord and start talking on Discord, it will come through on Discord as well. But that's how you do it, so I hope you found that helpful, and if that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.